Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
In the world of English language learning, understanding how adjectives pair with the noun money can be quite the game changer. For instance, easy money refers to income earned with little effort, as in, he thinks working in marketing is easy money. But life often proves otherwise. Then there's bonus or extra money that you might receive. If you complete an assigned project before next Tuesday, there'll be some bonus money. Sounds motivating, right? We also talk about hard-earned money, a term that gives weight to our toil and sweat. And then there are terms like government, public, or taxpayers' money, often the subject of heated debates. Pocket or spending money represents those little extras we enjoy, and who hasn't borrowed lunch money at some point? There's prize, grant, or scholarship money, a boon for those in research or academia. But tread carefully around stolen, dirty, bribe, or ransom money. Or hush money take us to a darker world, while pension or retirement money lead us towards the sunset years. And be wary of counterfeit or fake money. So there you have it, a little trip into the world of money collocations. Remember, money talks, but it's the adjectives that tell the story. Please share your story with a comment below and subscribe to our channel.